everybody, and welcome to day number 12. It's our last day for 2 of our calendars.
Sad day.
Sad day. We just got home from one of our niece's Highland dance Christmas recitals. 3-year-olds dancing in little kilts and little shoes. It's so freaking cute. So I have not put in any effort to my appearance because I just want to be comfortable, and sometimes that's okay. Just be comfortable. Just be au natural. So let's get to it.
Nothing.
Day number 12 of the number 7, 12 Days of Beauty. Last day, last door. Oh, and the last day's last door, I broke it.
Oh no.
Oh, it's a lip color. I think it's our first lip color from this box. I think. So this is a High Shine lip gloss in the shade Pink Slip. Oh, you don't want to get a pink slip at Christmas time.
I think it means like the underwear, but a pink one, you know.
It smells like bubblegum, maybe? What do you think? Bubblegum?
Yeah.
Let's do a little swatcheroo.
Oh, it doesn't go.
This one from yesterday from NYX is so long lasting that I've had a shower. I've washed my hands maybe 17 times and you can still kind of see it right there. That's insane. But anyway, beside that is the lip gloss. So it's just a nice pink shimmer. So that's it. That one's done. And also this one is the last day of the 12-day Revolution box. My husband's favorite box. Oh, that was loud.
What'd you throw it so high for?
Because it's fun. I like to have fun. So our last day is an Illuminating Eyeprimer. Jay, it's an eye primer.
Oh.
So, what does it say? It gives subtle radiance to the eyes, enhance colors, and help to prevent creasing. Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin before applying eyeshadows. So Jason, this just goes like on your lids and it helps your eyeshadow to last longer.
So really it's like glue or something?
It kind of does smell like glue. Yeah.
That's crazy.
So it's just a primer color, skin colored. So that is the end of our 12-day boxes. So we only have 3 now remaining for the remainder of our journey together. Day 12 of the Revolution Makeup calendar. Day 12 is here. Oh, that's been sitting for a while. I'm going to throw this one, Jason. So we got some air bubbles in that one. But what do we have? Guess what it is?
Lip gloss?
An eye primer.
Oh, weird. Is it the same one? Exact same?
It's the same brand.
Yeah.
This is Illuminating. This one doesn't say it's Illuminating. Let's give it a little swabby swab. Same scent. Same. It's a little bit of a different color, but...
Oh, kind of close. Just put more of that one on, I think.
Hey, my sister Taylor, you want one of these? One of them's coming your way. Day 12 of the NYX Love Lust Disco box. Here's day 12. Ooh, it's fancy packaging. I really wish that they make this a little bit easier to get out for chubby fingers. Oh, what is this? So we got a nice little pot of something. It's the hashtag this is everything lip loving balm. Balm. Holy crap, I'm opening it with one try.
Does it say somewhere this bomb is the bomb on it?
It's the bomb.com. No.
Well, that's disappointing.
But
you lost a good 3 points for that.
Maybe also a little coconutty smelling. I love a nice balm. Oh. Dry lip season. So, not terribly exciting, but still very nice. Next, and last but not least, as I drop everything, day 12 of Glossybox. And if I can remember correctly, it's right here at the top.
Have you been waiting for this one?
No, but I almost knocked it over yesterday.
I think that was like 14.
Oh, it feels like it's got a little substance to it today. Whatever way I open it is always the wrong way.
Let me tell you.
I haven't opened it yet. Please don't. Please do not ruin it for me. It's a tube. Okay, we've got a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration Skin Protectant, and in the scent Honeysuckle. Oh, Honeysuckle Natural Infusion, oh my god. So this is basically, what, a hand cream, I'm guessing?
Or your face, probably.
No, I don't think you want to. No, you don't. I never put anything on my face that doesn't say it's for the face. I put face cream on my face. I put hand cream on my hands.
It says this is...
Does it say it's face cream?
Intense hydration. It's an ultra repair cream.
That's not for your face, though.
Sounds like it'd be pretty hydrating.
Let's see what this feels like. It's nice and thick. Maybe a little citrusy smelling? I know it says the honeysuckles. I bet you there's citrus in there a little bit. So it works in really nicely. Feels very moisturizing. Jason, let me guess the value of this.
Were you peeking?
No, but I wish you'd close the book so I don't.
It's closed now.
Okay. I'm going to guess this is $12.
You would have guessed extremely low then, my friend.
Oh, extremely low. Tell me.
The actual retail price of said item is $32.
For this little hand cream?
Yes.
Skin protectant? How much?
Well, there's a 3 and then a 2 with a dollar sign.
That's like the same price as the nail polish.
Yeah.
Okay, so what does this do? Tell me.
Coming to your winter skin rescue, this repair cream restores the skin's luster after harsh weather exposure with a fresh honeysuckle fragrance. Doesn't that sound nice? It's pretty much what you already read.
Yes. Oh, it's good for insect bites. And it's also good for eczema, rashes, poison ivy, oak, and sumac, whatever sumac is, and insect bites. Jason made a good point and said, what if I get them on my face, though? Because I'm adamant about not putting this on my face. I don't know, honey. I'll just try and avoid the rashes and the poison ivy and the insect bites on my face. Let us compare our things that we received today. Well, we got a duplicate. So, what is my favorite? I'm gonna go with the lip balm just because I could use it this time of year.
Even though it doesn't say this balm is the balm.
Even though they have terrible slogans, obviously. Just sparkle lip gloss because it's fun. I'm gonna go with this primer.
That's eyeball glue.
It doesn't glue your eyeballs. And then this lotion, and then this other eyeshadow primer, which my sister is probably gonna get. Well, thank you all so very much for watching day 12. Tomorrow we'll be down to 3 boxes, so the video should be shorter, or the commentary wittier to fill the time. Thank you all very much for watching, and if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, it would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye!